here we will talk about how a pointer is declared and assigned to a structure variable. All right, so we have from the PowerPoint two fields, right? Unsigned int and a char. We have a variable that we have declared v1 and a pointer here. Okay, and if you see here, we have assigned a value for m1 and we copied a string to m2. All right, so let's go to the paint and see. Okay, this is what we did in the program. All right, also here we have three variables here. We can remove one of them, not a big deal. All right, okay, so we have so let's go here and see what we are doing here. Right, so we have a structure with two members, right? M1 and M2. That is our structure V1, and this has address, let's say 4400 as address. So our S1 is a pointer we declared, right? So this is wrong here. Oh, this is incorrect, right? So let's go to the program and see how we declared. See here, S1 is a pointer, right? It's a pointer. So when we assign a pointer, so that is S1 equal to address of V1, right? Address of V1. That's what we do. And to access the individual elements, through the pointer S1, that what we do here is S1, right? We do asterisk. This means dereference the pointer and M1. And to access M2, we do the same thing, right? S1 and M2. The reason we have to put this parenthesis is if you don't do that, what happens is S1 say dot M1. What happens is this dot takes precedence, so it will compute that value. It considers that's the address because it's a pointer, it's a dereference, so this becomes the address. So which is wrong, right? This is not pointer or anything like that. And you dereference that, so this entire thing becomes wrong. We don't want that, right? That's the reason we put a pointer, we put a parenthesis around that, like here. So this is the right approach. So now we say take M1 and dereference the pointer, that means get 4400 dot M1. It's like that. Okay. So the alternate way, this is kind of clumsy, right? This is kind of clumsy to write a parenthesis like that, dot M1. Remember that this is a pointer, right? S1 is a pointer. It is a pointer. So this is the alternate way is also what we call a arrow operator. We use the arrow operator is S1 M1 S1 M2. So this is for pointers. Of course, you are going to use a pointer instead of using this clumsy way of expressing a parenthesis, asterisk, a dot, and all that. We just skip all that and write using a arrow operator. All right, so if we go to the code, what we have here, so this is the one way of writing, right? And if you go to the PowerPoint, the next slide would be using a arrow operator. So the difference between these two slides, if you see, here we do the same thing. We access M1 and M2, and if we go to the next one, we use the arrow operator. That's the difference between those two. All right. Thank you very much.